Welcome Shem Stars to the computer class. Hope all is good at your end. Children, today we are going to continue with our previous topic with some new features. So let's begin our class. Okay Shem Stars, so today we are going to continue with our lesson 5, that is working with styles and objects. In this video we are going to learn about adding a text box in Microsoft Word and how to insert word art. So let's take up these features one by one. So children, I'm going to show you here how to insert text box in Word document. So if we are right now in Microsoft Word, so here we have different tabs. So we are going to go to Insert tab. So Insert tab, once we move towards right, we'll find out text box. Let's click here and we are going to drag a box. This is going to ask you which kind of a box do you want. So we'll take a simple text box. So you have a simple text box here. You can draw also text box as per your choice. So if I take it from the corners, I can increase the size of the text box. So I'm going to delete the text that is here. Now this is the text box. So what is a text box? A text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. A text box can be used to manipulate text and give it new graphical effects. You can move text box along with the contents anywhere in the document. So children, I'm going to show you practically. Say suppose I'm going to use the font, big font here. So I'm going to write down here maybe good. Okay. I'm going to write down here good morning there Shem Stars. Okay, so whatever you need to type in this, you can just type that and then click here. So this is the text box you have, and if you move here, it will turn into a plus sign. Now hold the mouse button and you can drag it down anywhere you are, up, down, wherever you want, you can place your text box. And in this, whatever you have typed, you can just go for the formatting as we do in normal text. Whatever we want to write, we have to increase the size, we have to go for the style, and we can pick up any style, and then we can go for the color, font color. So whatever we want, we can just do that with the text box. Now another thing is that is word art. Okay, so let's understand about what is word art. The word art feature allows you to create special text effects. It gives a unique look to the text, and using word art, what you can do is you can create decorative text. You can have curved text, you can have wavy, you can have shadowed. So different styles actually you have that you can make your text to look more attractive. So already I have used one decorative text here in a word art. So if you want to see, I'll go to again insert. So in insert we have here as a, click here and you have different effects here. Pick up any of the effect that you want. Suppose I use this one. Okay, so I'm going to take it down. So this is the writing style you will get for word art. So whatever you want, you can type in the word art that will look more attractive and beautiful. So this is again like a placeholder, a text box wherein you can insert text but in a decorative form. So you have a gallery of A that represents the different designs that you can select to apply on the text you type. Now with this writing style, this decorative text, we can make it even more decorative. How? So once you go to the format tab, here you have few options that you can just use for formatting of the word art as well. So we have your writing styles. You can use this, you can use this one, you can use this one, whichever you want, you can pick up that. Even there are more that you can have. So you can use any one that you want. Then you can have a shape fill also. If supposing I take this font and I want to fill the shape, so I can use a color, maybe this one, any color that I want I can use for my word art. So I can fill it. Now then shape outline you have, so you can go here and you can use a outline for this. So see, text box will be in yellow color, so you can increase the size of that also. So shape effects also you have. This will give a visual effect to the selected shape. And then you have here different okay, one more thing is important, that is here you can see the pointer. What will happen with this if we move it? See, this is, we can move it in a different direction that we want. You can rotate your text box the way you want. So this is also the beauty of this word art or any text box, that you can rotate the way you want. So these are a few things that we need to understand about the word art and the text box. And you know about this, again we can move it to any place, anywhere in the document. So today we have learnt about adding a text box and how to write in a text box, and similarly how to use a word art and how to write with the help of decorative text, and how can you make changes in that. So next time we are going to learn about the shapes and how to use shapes, how to apply shadow effect to the shapes, and some more features. Thank you, Shenstars. That's all for today. Hope you understood the topic very well. If you have any doubts, you can drop your queries in the Google Classroom. Take care of yourself and God bless you all.